with another banger video. Before I get to another video, I just want to introduce this girl here, my cousin, my next cousin, come the sister me roll out the family phone. Anyways, please like, comment and subscribe before getting that video. And guys, may I beg you, please tell a friend, tell a next friend, tell a next friend, tell a next friend, but keep it real, keep up the same energy. Please watch the full video. If you're not to watch it, yo, put it on the phone and go back to the business and come back and come back. Period. Anyways, but I want to see the description down below, know what kind of time it is. Smack or fuck, I'm really excited. If I'm going to see the energy, I want to know something excited because I'm like a boxer. Alright, anyways, let's go. So we have 15 questions. I don't know this girl already. I'm ask question if she get it wrong.
No.
So we just say yes at first. We're gonna rock paper scissors, obviously. But you know if we get it, we get it right. We just get it right. But anyways, rock paper scissors. So see look up over there, ready up for the thing and stuff for it. Paper scissors shoot. Me first, heck. Oh god, oh god, oh god. It's easy, easy. Back to first question. Alright. So my first question is, what's my favorite fast food chain and the order? What? No, ask first, I get this wrong. Wait. Your fast food what? Chain, that means my favorite about suppliers. No, idiot. I'm not idiot. I'm not idiot. We have been nervous. Hey, the people that say I'm feeling. Box me on the left. Guess now? Chinese. No, idiot. No, hold on. You see me, I get her 2 chances. So the first chance is a Chinese before boxer. So the second chance now, yes. So if you go tell me the fast food restaurant, the first my order. So, which side you want it? Let's ask which side. That never asked. Come on. No second chance. Why the answer me is a ring? Why the answer? Come in and know that. Fast food restaurant is Burger King and the order is number 3 combo, which is the double bacon whopper with extra. Shut up! Oh, my friend know that because I'm always the order. Me not even go Burger King with you. Come my first question. Spell me name back way. What? Spell me name back way. If you know me name, just let me ask if you know me name. Not spell it back way. My people them here. Me can't spell it back way. Come just get at now. Me can't spell it back way. Well, if you know for spell it, you know. Me get 5 seconds. No, wait now back way. Me can't spell it back way. Come. Gina. E-L-E. Wait, come in at the camera. E-L-E-G-A-I-N. Boy. I said spell? Like, comment, subscribe, share. Gina. Make your name again. Oh my god. Right? Ellie Gina. We are not right? Girl, me not answer ya. I want a little girl that waste time. Come on, camera people. E. No, you're wrong. Come, you're wrong. Come, what if it's me still a ring like come, Vanessa again. What's up? I'm confused. Good. You get dog put up your hand. Alright, next question. What am I afraid of? You're so tough. I want to know that. My background said rat? Hey, that's not fair. My reflex, I'm strong on your bed. I'm on. Hey girl, let me get that box. Boom. Come, next question. Next question. Name one responsibility I have at church. 1. And there's 3 of them. It depends on the youth club, something you're calling this. We have to go and go. No, me listen. Listen. Say depend the youth club. Come here, sir. Come on. You know what she not really wrong? Me not wrong about it. You make this easy if you don't know it. I'm not like it again. What's my favorite color? Blue. Oh, okay. Name 5 things I did for my school. Yeah. Dance. Cheerleading. Netball. What else you do? You know another club? The pageant something, yeah? 4. What could Dainelle do at school? What could Dainelle do at school? I'm not the fifth one, yeah? Run up your face, forget the back stem. Open that. Move it and come in over here. Yeah. What the fifth one? Ark. You don't know that. You don't know. You don't know me an actress. I don't know my mind. Anyway, fourth question. What's the first birthday present you ever give me? Me know me get you, but you remember that the problem now. I wish I could consider puzzle. That yeah, get to it. What did I do at graduation? I know received a stick. You did do speech something to the woman. She get them. Me can't get too much at you, but me have them. Come, your question. What's my top 5 favorite perfume? I'm afraid for so one. Give in, chick. No. Really? Me not get me. After this, me don't know no more. Come. This no fear, no. This no fear. What's my favorite flavor chicken at KFC? Come on, see? Everything blurry right now. Come. You don't eat barbecue, you know. Come, we are. Come. Hot and spicy bread, move. She get it. Come on, no eat other chicken than that. Spicy chicken to me win. Next one. Come in now, if I could change my middle name, what would it be? Amelia, next question, my time. Huh? What did I do when I was little and grandma thought it was a ghost? What's your grandma? What my dad? Me I go say no, so grandma, I'm sorry. Now you're gonna know the truth. You put the sheet on me. Put the sheet on my head. Come right here, so. My girl, so. What's a pee playing on my back? Come! But pee in the bed. Where would I travel to if I had the chance? With that place there again, God. You can't see. So you can't go back to me though. Australia? After me now go down this one. Me a block job. Yeah, what? Me big outside. It's everywhere. Be fast. Don't. Worry, mom. I'm not yet. Come. Oh, madam, my father make the name. I tell you this already. I tell you before. I don't make the same madam make the name. It's two of them. Robert name. I know it. Come over. I'm a cousin this from my barn, I know her. From Sheba and she know me come out of them. Xena and some baga sin after that. Me get that one, because me myself no embarrassed. Come. But me know my father name. Yeah. So again, I make the name now. Come, tell me what you want it fast and quick. Don't put the banner side there. Wait, brave up. Man slide that for you, so me never mean that one. Look here, the way the slap and to get the girl bust off a tree. Me not laugh. This is fear. Look here. Hey, if me not blind today, come. Just know. You never check for corona. Come on. That's my favorite movie. What the hell? Outlanders. Yeah, you all watch them foolish. Me don't watch Outlander. Why your favorite movie? Why your favorite movie? Watch a girl you're searching, I know what to say. I'm searching my head, I know book of my favorite movie. A long time I remember that. Raise out in my brain. She gonna give me that now, people. So before I knock out, just share the video. So life's a nice life. Let's come and dance. Come on. No man aside. No, you know I'm not prefer. Come. I prefer. Check girl there around, don't forget my side. So yeah, move back. Move on now. Don't fidget in like hair. That never hot. What did I buy an intake and auntie them ask her who me a follow? Buy it, listen. Come. Where you buy an intake? Intake, me take it. Where you buy an intake? Come. And ask me who me a follow. Where you buy an intake? Mommy ask you who you a follow? We don't ask her when me ask her. I better tell you about. Sure. Hey, one box of come our way so much, is it? Guys, we finished my face. I bring me can ask some more questions. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and you can comment down below other questions, other challenge you want me to do.